Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using PayPal USD to stablecoins. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Ensure that your account is fully verified for crypto transactions. Navigate to the crypto section within the app or website. Select the cryptocurrency option to view your holdings. Choose the transfer option to initiate the transaction. Now, select the amount of your PayPal USD you wish to transfer. Be aware of any transaction fees that may apply. After selecting the amount, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Once confirmed, you will see a summary of the transaction details. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Click the Send button to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is completed. Now turn to your chosen stablecoin exchange or wallet. Log into your account on the exchange or wallet that supports stablecoins. Locate the deposit section for receiving funds. Copy the deposit address provided for stablecoins. Return to your PayPal transaction summary. Click on the View Transfer Status to track your transaction. Wait for the transfer to reflect in your crypto wallet. Once the PayPal USD has arrived, navigate to the exchange or wallet dashboard. Select the option to convert or exchange your received funds into stablecoins. Enter the amount you wish to convert. Review the exchange rate and transaction fees. Confirm the transaction to complete the conversion. Your stablecoins will now be available in your wallet. Monitor the balance to ensure the transaction was successful. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred crypto using PayPal USD to stablecoins. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.